Ngizoloke ngishilo-ke ukuthi awukwazi ukuba yimemba yale channel or ukuba yi-subscriber kule channel kodwa uxakeke, ushode ngedatha, ungakwazi nokudla into oyihalelayo. Ngiyakucela, on the description box down below, ngizoshiya i-link yokujoyina ube i-AVBOB and Cell C Dream Connector. What is a Dream Connector? If you are a Dream Connector, it means that you have got an opportunity to share your link with other people that might take ama-policy awukwazi-ke ukuba umlandeli wale podcast kodwa ube broke ushode ngedatha. Ngifuna nonke ningashodi ngedatha. Uzokwenza kanjani-ke lokho? Uzokwenza ngokuthi on the description box down below uzocofa kuleya link le engizoyishiya lapha ezansi, kwenzele ukuthi uzoba yini na, wena uzoba yilento esiyibiza nge-AVBOB and Cell C Connector. What is an AVBOB and Cell C Dream Connector? If you are a connector, it means that wena uqashiwe ngesikhathi sakho with your phone and your data ukuthi uhlale nje endlini ushare ama-link with your friends, family and on social media platforms just for people ukuthi bazibeke ethubeni lokuthi bajoyine umshwalense wa-AVBOB. Kanti-ke ngelunga nelunga elijoyinayo ngaphansi kwakho, wena uthola ithuba lokuthini, lokuthi u-AVBOB akukhokhele for as long as abantu bewathathile lama-policy bewakhokhela kahle, you get paid. And akugcini lapho, you also have got AVBOB rewards where we get ama-rewards from ama-restaurants, we get vouchers from izitolo zokudla, Shoprite, Pick n Pay, ngibala ntoni na. Ngo-R100 nje kuphela you can join to become an AVBOB connector. Once you have joined, take your funeral cover, and if you already have a funeral cover, you can just easily top it up or just tell them that you already have an AVBOB funeral cover, and then you can link it up with your Dream Team membership, and then you can start connecting people and make money out of AVBOB and Dream Team. Kanti-ke futhi ungakhohlwa ukuthi laphaya what's cooking with Zisiyadla. If uzithandela ukudla, uzithandela amapapa njengami, yabona nje uma umuntu ozithandela amapapa njengami, food recipes, restaurant reviews, restaurant visits and everything that has to do with food, just join me because sizobe sidla kuphela. It is called What's Cooking. Hello, sanibonani, dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo, lwandle kalwela lwezibhekane zona isihambela le kude phezulu. Do join. It's a story time. Yes, sanibonani, dumelang, igama uZandi, isibongo umfeka umalwandle lo. It's a story time. Khumbula ukuthi izitori zala ekhaya izitori esizithola from DMs, ezinye siyafonelwa, ezinye is just for entertainment and entertainment only. Kanti-ke nawe if ufisa ukuthi isitori sakho sisixoxe la kwi-channel, please do DM me or just voice note me via WhatsApp 0719419417. Story time. Indlala ngiyakwenza uzithole ngene entweni obakade ungeke wangena kuyona ngoba ungalambile. Nami akusavumi ngithule, esisami isitori ngiyacela ukuthi sizwiwe ngoba kuyimanje ngikhuluma nawe. Ngisaba ngisho ukuphumela eminyango ngibuka abantu ngamehlo. Uthi girl, ngihlangane noMlisa ngenza i-second year at the university eThekwini kwezinye zezikhungo zemfundo ephakeme. Uma wami-ke sisandile mina uyaziphantela, usebenza ngokuyiphilisa, usebenza laphaya kuleya ndawo ebizwa ngokuthi iseMansell. Those of you who know Durban, there is a place there that calls Mansell. That is where uthola khona zonke izinto zesiZulu. Kunomama abathunga amacansi, kunobaba ababazayo. So everything and anything that has got to do with umembese uyayithola. Uthi ubaba wami uyaphila, kodwa ubaba wami uyafana nomuntu ofile ngoba ubaba solo kahamba ngimncane. Apparently engathi kuthi usebenza kahle, usame koGoli la afika khona waqhathwa khona abahlakaniphile, umfazi womSuthu wambambela eduze, akasazi nokuthi sibukeka kanjani. Uthi sisi, njengoba ngenza unyaka wesibili nje eThekwini, simo sibi laphaya umama kuMansell Ngesinye isikhathi-ke kuphoqa ukuthi balale khona ukuze benze imali. Inkinga eyenza ukuthi ngigcine ngingawutholanga u-NSFAS, it's because kuyavela kuma-records uma bephantsha i-I_D number kababa ukuthi ushadile and kanye noma washada noma nge-customary marriage, kushuthi umshado wesintu. Umshado wabo ubhalisiwe Home Affairs. Kodwa inkinga ekhona ukuthi ubaba uyasebenza, usebenza kahle yena akakhwalifayi. Mina ngikhwalifayi ukuthi ngithole u-NSFAS. Yiyo-ke manje lento esiyifelayo, sifela lo mshado kama o-useless, osabhalisiwe e-Home Affairs, ongasibhenefithi ngalutho ngoba ubaba usenomunye umndeni. So kunzima, sidonsa kabuhlungu, siphila kabuhlungu. Every day is a struggle. Sibili unyaka siyastrugglisha, akuhambi kahle. Kwahamba kwaze wafikelela ekutheni ukuthi uma ngabe samantombazane-ke sifunda-ke kulezi zikhungo zemfundo ephakeme, uyababona abantu. Khona abantu abaphila kamnandi, khona abantu obonayo ukuthi abaswele lutho, khona abantu abaphantayo ngendlela thizeni. Kuze kuthi-ke ngelinye ilanga-ke, kuyi-long weekend, vele-ke abengingagoduki isikhathi esiningi ngoba ukugoduka bekuyinkinga. As much as uma esebenza eThekwini nami ngowaseThekwini, kodwa ekhaya akukho seduzane ngaleyo ndlela ukuthi ngamane ngiloke ngithi ngiye ekhaya now and again, ngoba lokho kubiza imali. Uma ngigoduka kufanele ngikhokhe about 50 rand, which means ilokhunjani i-return trip egodukayo ekhaya i-100 rand. So nje ngase nginomkhuba wokuthi nje, hhayi, uma kuyi-long weekend ngiyayihlalela esikoleni. Kwenzeke ngelinye ilanga ngithi siyihlalela esikoleni-ke, kube khona abanye abangani bami abathi, ayi, sihleli sizivalele e-rest, ake sihambe siphumeni sibone abantu nathi. Kube khona omunye usi-ofarishayo ukuthi, hhayi, kune-boyfriend yakhe ezofika later today, and uma efika kuzoyiwa somewhere. Uthe akanankinga, ngingeza namanye amantombazane akhona e-rest, angekho busy. Okay, kusho ukuthi-ke sigeze-ke, sigqoke sisonke sibe bahle-ke. Hhayi shem, kuthiwa kuyiwe ephathini la, u-boyfriend une-party, i-birthday yakhe, umeme abangani bakhe. Siya kwi-apartment ka-boyfriend. Hhayi-ke sihambe-ke la, sibathathu la, kusho ukuthi u-5 ngomngane. Zifike-ke izimoto eziyi-2 ntambama zisilande, siya la kule phathi. Eyi, inhliziyo yami ayivumi ukuthi ngiye la, kodwa sengiyaya ngoba phela ekugcineni kosuku ngeke uhlele uzivalele. I-rest i-quiet, akukho muntu, thina sodwa esikhona la e-rest, nalaba abayi-few abayigxekela abafana njengami, nalaba-ke nje abanye abangafuni ukugoduka sidalo-ke, noma singekho isidingo sokuthi bahlale, aba-avoid-a isandla esiqinile sabazali emakhaya. So uthi hhayi-ke sihambe-ke siye ephathini. Hhayi, uma sifika ephathini, hhayi, siya e-Morningside. Sephathi se-Morningside, siya kwi-somebody's apartment. Masifika kule apartment, hhayi, indawo e-nice nje, it's a secured place, ku-safe, it's a nice flat. Sibuzwe ukuthi siphuzani, hhayi mina ngiphuze utshwala ngaze ngibulokothe nje solo ngazalwa. Basho bafuna ukuphuza something-ke, basho, hhayi mina ngizicelela ijusi-ke, hhayi-ke ngizishayela ijusi yami ubusuku bonke. Kuthe-ke into engiyiqaphelayo la masifika la kule phathi, I noticed ukuthi abantu bokufika abakhona la kule phathi, u-boyfriend akasiyena okufika lo onephathi kamngani, kodwa abangani bakhe laba abanye abaningi abakhona aba-invited la ababo ukufika. Naye uze ukhuluma njengabo, this pidgin English, ama-Nigerians, ngendlela okusho ukuthi mhlawumpe abazwana ngayo-ke. Maybe make sure-ke indlela achaza ngayo, wachaza ukuthi hhayi, ama-business partners wakhe. Okay, fine, business partners. Hhayi-ke bube mnandi ubusuku, nkosi yami, kudliwe, kudanswe, kudliwe ojolof rice, kuye le, kuziphela iziphuzo phakathi nobusuku. Abaphuzayo bahambe bayophuza iziphuzo, abanye baphelezelane, kuhanjwe kuyothenga iziphuzo, kuthiwa kuyothenga utshwala. Ngithi mina, hhayi, ngicela ukungahambi unless ngizo-drop-wa off e-rest. Bese kuba khona lo bhuti obonayo ukuthi hhayi, ngikhona la, kodwa angikho. Yabona uma ukhona endaweni physically, kodwa indawo ongakhululekile ukuba kuyona. This guy is a Nigerian guy, eze kumina azohlala namaxoxo namakhulu, angikhulumise nje, hawu, yabo, angibuza imbuzwanyana nje, what's your name? Hhayi, ngikhulume nje ngingabi nankinga naye, abukeke umuntu ongenankinga. Hhayi-ke, kufika isikhathi-ke la sekufanele siyolala khona-ke, bese-ke sicele ukuthi abasihambise basibuyisele e-rest. Hhayi-ke, nangempela futhi, hhayi, abafana bangabi nankinga, basibuyisele e-rest, u-friend asale, nomunye u-friend-ke nawo wayeseqomile khona lapho, wasala-ke. Thina abanye sabuyela e-rest. Lo wabhuti wase-Nigeria wangicela inamba yami-ke. Mina-ke ngicela ukukutshela Sisandile ukuthi nje bengizihambela umhlanga, siyahlolwa ekhaya, nomanje obezisebenzela lapha kuMansel, wakha bona lezi zinto lezi zey'ntombi. Wakha amacansi, wakha ubuhlalu, wakha zonke nje lezi zinto lezi zesintu. Sibuyele emuva-ke, uthi hhayi-ke lo bhuti-ke from that time-ke since engibone lapha kuleya phathi-ke, njalo usekamane ahlala ngifona angi-check-a, how are you doing? Hhayi, ngi-right, kwathini. Yabona nje njalo uhlezi engi-check-a, nini ngibone ngifake i-airtime, nini ngibone engisendela ama-cash send o-500 o-300. Nganginomkhuba wokuthi mengabe engisendela le mali ngingayikhiphi, bese ngiyamfonela, ngimbuze ukuthi ungisendele imali eyani na? Why ungisendela imali ngingayicelanga? Athi, I know, just go and buy yourself something. I know you are a student, maybe bread or something, snacks, anything that you need. Uthi ngathi-ke again, I don't like it when you keep on sending me money because engingayicelanga. Because angikhuliswanga kanjalo, yabo, ukuthi ngihambe ngithathe iy'mali nje ebantwini engingabazi. Uthi hhayi-ke shem, wayeka ukuyisenda-ke imali-ke uma ngikhulume naye kanjalo. Wacela ukufika ngelinye ilanga ereza azongibona, wafika wazongibona, sahlala saxoxa, uphethe ama-takeaways. Hhayi-ke ngadla-ke Nkosi yami ngoba ngilambile-ke phela. Ngadla kwaba mnandi kwaba njeyaya, and then wahamba. After that-ke sekaqala-ke seyakhuluma iy'ndaba zokushela-ke manje. Ngamtshela ukuthi mina, I don't want a boyfriend. I'm not interested in having boyfriends. Ngisafunda, I'm doing my second year. The only thing I'm interested in doing is ukuthi ngiqede isikole, and I want to uplift my family because I am from a family engathathi ntweni. Athi, awu na. Uthi hayi bese kube injwayelo ukuthi njalo-ke mefika-ke manje ngoba ngayinqaba imali angithi. Njalo mengabe uzongibona, afika azongibona aphethe izinto-ke. Nkosi yami-ke nami ngangeke ngikunqabe ukudla oShekhasi bako-Woolies, ngangeke ngibanqabe ngoba vele esiswini Nkosi yami eresi kuyalanjwa. Wesi uma ngabe ungena support, ungenawo ngisho nano-NSFAS, kuba nzima, ungena basari, ungena lutho, kuba nzima. Indlala yodwa esiyiphilelayo laphaya. Yingakho ubona abantu bebethi mengabe begraduate bajabula baze bakhala because umuntu usuke ucabanga lo 3 years awu-survive-ile ebunzimeni. Okay, fine. Hhayi-ke ubhuti ashela kuze kufike ekutheni nami sengiyezwa ukuthi isikhona indawana yokumthanda lo bhuti. He's nice man, he's sweet, yabo, u-right, and uyambona ukuthi umuntu oziphilela kamnandi. And futhi nangaphandle kwaloko, because ngamchazela impilo engiyiphilayo nokuthi sihamba umkhosi womhlanga, ngangike ngimtshele mekusondela uSeptember ukuthi I'm going ngisemkhosini womhlanga because he was interested. He even wanted to know, yini umkhosi womhlanga kwenziwani? Ngamchazela ukuthi no, it's something that is attended by a virgin. Ngamchazela nje, ngamtshela the full story nokuthi uqualify kanjani. From then ukuthi nje hhayi-ke waye excited-ke nje ukuthi he doesn't know Zulu culture very well, but he's really excited to know me and to understand this culture ukuthi yonke lento yenzeka kanjani, because ukaboni nje ku-social media kune-buzz around September, but he didn't even understand what is going on. Uthi hayi bagcine bebangane up until kuze kube ukuthi nje hhayi sebeyajola impela. Uthi kuthe kuqambe kuye enyakeni wesithathu esezophuma nje e-university, bese bejola impela. Kodwa wamtshela ukuthi lalela-ke webhuti wabantu, sizojola ukujola kodwa next mapha. Uthi kangangokuthi ngase ngazi ngisho kwakhe, sengazi ngisho nabantu bakubo abakhona la eMzansi. Ngangiyeke ngivakashe futhi kwakhe, ngangithi mengivakashile kwakhe, indlu yakhe yayinkulu nje, enomuzi somewhere ko-Hillcrest. Indlu yakhe yayinkulu nje inamakamera amaningi. Ngangithi mengifikile kwakhe nje nganginekamero lami engilala kulona, because he was respecting into yokuthi mina ngisaseyitshitshi and I want to preserve ubutshitshi bami. Ngiqeda isikole, I will only give away ikhekhe emntwini engiyoshada naye. So naye he was well aware ukuthi ikhekhe lona ngolinikeza umuntu oyozimisela ngokuthi ufuna ukushada nami. Okay, fine. Kube agreement-ke lo, hhayi kube nje into enormali-ke ukuthi-ke vele-ke ngigcine sengizithatha-ke ney'mali zakhe-ke, ngizithatha namalokhunjana wakhe anginika wona, ama-gift nabo-plastic, ngoba vele ekugcineni kosuku ngilambile, ngumntwana wesikole, anginalutho. Yabona nje into anginikeza zona, uyanginika yena le nto anginika yona, and futhi nami ngifine ngaloko ngoba phela sine-agreement angithi. Uthi hhayi-ke sihambe-ke isikhathi-ke ngiwuqede umnyaka wami wesithathu, ngigraduate e-graduation yami. Wangithengela nje ama-gifts, kwaba mnandi kwaba njeyaya, wangi-congratulate-a. Ngahamba-ke manje sengibuyele ekhaya, manje sekuyinkinga-ke manje ukubonana kwami naye ngoba phela yena uhlala edrobheni angithi le ko-Hillcrest, and ubhizi ngakhona ko-Central. Mina sengizibuyelele emafamu ekhaya, so sekunzima nje nokubonana-ke. Kodwa wayeza, ngamnika i-address, ngamnika i-location, weza. Ngase ngiyamtshela ukuthi lalela, Ukuzwa kona uzoza, kodwa angifuni kube into oyiqhelayo le, ngoba angazi ukuthi mina phakathi kwami nawe kwenzakalani. Uthi, hawu, kuthe kusenjalo, akuphelanga ngisho iy'nyanga ezimbili ezintathu, wabe sethi nje ngithumela abakhongi kini. Wathi ngithi ini? Uthi lapho mina ngine-stress, indaba yabakhongi nani nani, futhi nje kahle kahle angisamfuni ngoba ngicabanga nje i-stress sokuthi ngifuna umsebenzi manje, just want to focus. Ebe-right ngalesa sikhathi esangipha oplastic. Manje nginento ethi nje kumina, ngiqedile ukufunda, angincenge into yamuntu because ngibone uma esokola ngendoda. So nami ngazitshela ukuthi mangiqeda nje ukufunda empilweni ngifuna ukuyimela, ngingasokoli ngidiphende endodeni, ngisokoliswe yindoda. So naye angisamfuni ngoba oplastic laba phela bebe-right ngesikhathi ngisasesikoleni. Manje ngibuyele ekhaya, so ngifuna umsebenzi kahle kahle, ngiyamaketha. Ngizitshelile nje futhi umsebenzi ngizowuthola fast and quick, kube right, ngilungise isimo ekhaya, ngiyekise uma ukusebenza. Nginaleyo nto nje emqondweni ukuthi hey, ngithe ngisathi ngisabheke lokho indoda ithi ngizokulobola. Ngithi mina hayibo, ngisafuna ukufuna umsebenzi. Athi hayi, khululeka, when you are married to me you won't even need a job. Lapho le ndoda ngiyazi ukuthi yenza msebenzi muni, ngiyazi nje ukuthi uwumuntu omi kahle because ushintshanisa iy'moto, ngelinye ilanga ufika nge-Evoque, ngelinye ilanga ufika nge-Mercedes, ngelinye ilanga ufika nge-Polo. Yabona nje umuntu o-right nje, ngelinye ilanga ufika nge-Ranger. Uwumuntu nje o-right, obonayo ukuthi u-right, kodwa angimazi ukuthi wenza msebenzi muni. Athi no, don't worry, I'll find you a job. You'll work in one of my businesses and but first things first, I want to make you my wife. Uthi hayi, ngicabange kabili kathathu le nto ka-wife. Hey, ngibona ukuthi hayi, what do I have to lose? Because ekugcineni kosuku uzonginika lento engiyifunayo. Uthe uzonginikeza umsebenzi, angithi uzonginika into engiyifunayo, so kusho ukuthi kahle kahle ngizoshaya izinyoni ezimbili ngetshe elilodwa. Ngizothola umsebenzi, ngithole nomendo. Futhi uma ngabe ukuthi ngiyabona ukuthi angisamfuni, ngiyovele ngimdivorce nje. Hawu khona ikhona phela i-divorce. Mina kahle kahle into engiyigaqele la umsebenzi because ngifuna ukuphuma endlaleni. And remember, sengiyithastile impilo naye ukuthi umuntu ongangiphilisa impilo e-right uma ngingasticka around. Uthi hayi-ke sihambe-ke isikhathi. Uthi hayi-ke nini nabuze ukuthi kwenziwa kanjani uma ngabe kuzolotsholwa kini. Ngimchazele ukuthi hayi, fanele kufike omalume kanje kanje kanje, ubhale incwadi nywa. Uthi hawu nini yafika incwadi eqhamuqi. Hhayi-ke incwadi isifika isine-date ya-next week, ukuthi next week sizolobola. Uthi hayi, bafika mfana bazolobola. Uthi ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi even ngisho ukudla okwadliwa ngalolo langa kwakuthengwa uyena kwamalobolo lokho. Ngithi phela abakhwenyana bayalungiselela. Uthi waqasha itende-ke ngoba ekhaya phela sizihlalela nje emakhaya, kunezindlu ezimbili nje zodaka u-round ozitshekele, kuphekelwa kona, nale ndlu enye esilala kuyona sonke noma ney'ngane zasekhaya. Uthi waqasha-ke itende-ke, ngaphela indawo ayikho, ngangimchazelile isimo futhi esefikile wasibona waqasha-ke itende. Makaqasha itende-ke kwenziwa okwenziwa-ke for that day, wazishaza phelela iy'nkomo. Wahamba, makahamba wahamba wasecela usuku lomshado. Uthi hayi, usuku lomshado futhi nalo lathi nje 1 2 1 2. Uthi khona umngani wami, ngikhulele ekhaya elikholiweyo-ke mina, umama nje, umfazi womkhuleko nje. Uthi khona umngani wami besizisondela naye e-rest. Aloku esho umngani wami uthi, hey mngani, kodwa hayi lo muntu wakho, hayi mina ngiyakuzwa nje, ngiyajabula kodwa angijabule, angimzwisisi kahle. Ngithi mina yini mngani, what is wrong? Hayi, umuntu wakho mngani, hey, mina mangabe khona nje around, ngoba khumbula it's one of those friends ababenayo okokuqala. Mangabe around mina nje, my skin just, I cringe mangabe around. Wena awukaze uzwe lutho nje mawuhleli nathi. Hayi no, mina angikaze ngizwe lutho. Athi hayi, kodwa phela vele ngoba wena uyamthanda ngeke uze uzwe lutho. Uthi hayi, siqhubeke isikhathi-ke. Uthi remember, I'm still a virgin. Lo muntu akazange pressurize, akazange thinte, akaze enze next. Yonke lento yenzeka nje ulinde i-virgin lakhe. Uthi hayi, sishada indumezulu yomshado. Uthi ngicela ukukutshela ukuthi sizathe siqamba sishada, wayesakhile umuzi ekhaya, wakha umuzi lo muntu akuphelanga ngisho 3 months, wakha u5 room, wawenza wawupenda waqeda. Wathi nje by the time sishada ngifuna ukuthi kube kunomuzi kini, ngoba ngifuna nawe uthi uma uphuma ungabi nalenhliziyo ebuhlungu ukuthi ushiye ekhaya kubheda, ngoba uyoqala impilo entsha manje. Uma wakho naye kufanele simshiye right. Uthi kuthe nje phatha, wathi uma wakho lento ayenzayo ngifuna ayiyeke, ngizomvulela ishop la lezinto, ngoba uyathanda ukusebenzisa izandla. Lezinto usazoqhubeka nokuzakha but azifake eshop. Uthi nini, hawu nangu sengibonisa ukuthi use-create ngisho i-website for ukuthi uma uzokwazi ukudayisa online. Lo muntu u-connected, i-online shop kama-Iyapo, impilo yavele yashesha fast, iyajika fast nje. Hawu, kwavele wangazi ukuthi sengiyasebenza. Uthi ngavele nga-relax ngathi hayi, impilo mayisinje isifikelele la vele bekade iyo lento ebengiyifundela futhi-ke manje and more. uthi hhayi siqhubeke isikhathi-ke sebeshadile-ke manje kumnandi bahambe-ke amthengele wakhe umuzi sithabathaba sowakhe umuzi e-Westville. Athi lo ose-Hillcrest it's because bonke abantu aba-around yena bane-access kuwona, so ufuna ukumcreate-ela nje ispace sakhe private. So wathi mhla ekhishwa yena ekhaya kubo, wakhishwa esekhishwa eya emzini wakhe omusha ceke, umacekeceke womuzi. Umacekeceke womuzi uthi sisizandile into engangikhethiswa ifurniture online. Kuthiwa baby, here is the catalog, here is the Cielo catalog, which one do you want? Ngangikhonjiswa ama-catalog ey'tolo nami engizibuka zile kude, ngingacabanga ukuthi nami ngingahlala kwi-couch yaka-Cielo, ngingahlala kwi-couch yakabani bani bani. Uthi ngangikhethiswa kulezo zitolo-ke mina online, ngithi nje ngiklikha nje ngithi cha, select, ngifaka ku-shopping basket. Uthi ngathi ngifika in my brand new house, sibuya kwi-honeymoon yethu-ke uthi yayise-Mauritius. Uthi after 2 sweet weeks in Mauritius ngase ngiyongena emzini wami omusha ceke. Uthi lalela ngikuxoxela ukuthi i-honeymoon yami e-Mauritius yabanjani. Uthi the day sifika e-Mauritius, remember ukuthi ngiyi-virgin, angaze ngilale lo muntu angaze ngilale lo muntu wesilisa, lo muntu wayongigqekeza for the first time, the way he was so excited. Uthi ihhotela kwakungazi ukuthi it's a nursery. Kunama-chocolate lapha, kunama-balloons lapha, kubekwe izimbali, kuqhakazile, ku-10, kuhlotshisiwe. Uthi that day, that morning, ngavuswa nje nge-breakfast in bed, I was pampered. Kwafika imesiyo yangimasaja that whole day. I was taken for shopping. Uma sibuyele ehhotela, there's another mesiyo again that is waiting for me. Kuthiwa nje kade sihamba senze shopping. Sengitobozwa amaqakala-ke manje, ngitobozwa izinyawo, ngitobozwa umhlane. Kubekwa amatshe ashisayo emhlane, into engingayazi engangiqala ngathi nje Jehova waze wangithanda nami. Hayi-ke uthi hayi-ke balala-ke ngalo langa benza izinto zakhona-ke zabantu abadala. Uthi sisandile kungebuhlungu lo muntu ngangingambheki ngisho emehlweni. Uthi into yakhona engakanani, isiqopholozi sento engakanani izongena kumina for the first time. Uthi ekuseni ngavuka ngingakwazi ngisho ukunyathela, kubuhlungu-ke guys ukuqheshula ubuvejini. Angazi-ke uma usuzoqheshulwa yi-Nigerian ngoba kuyashiwo ukuthi hhayi nabasuka khona angazi-ke, kodwa-ke angizange mina ngayi-experience, so ngezwa shit. Uthi-ke hhayi-ke uyabona-ke i-concern asenayo-ke engithathe ngifaka kuma-bath, engisokha, engithini, engibuza, you need pain tablets, you need what? Uthi that day esefonini, Oga, who's the virgin breaker now? Oga, who's the virgin breaker? Uthi ekufonela abangani bakhe, excited, ufonela ifamily yakhe ku-video call-wana. Uthi kungemnandi ngazibona nje ukuthi ngiqanda, uthi amahloni kumina ukuthi yo, hayibo, abantu sebefonelana ngami, babonisana ngami kuma-video ukuthi nje bengilalwa izolo for the first time. Uthi kodwa-ke it was a good feeling, it was a nice feeling because I really enjoyed ukuthi I finally got to be broken by umuntu who really loved me and who appreciated ukuthi ngalinda. Nami ngakuthokozela ukuthi wakwazi ukubekezelela ukuthi angilinde for isikhathi eside kangaka. Ukuthi hhayi-ke sihambe-ke isikhathi-ke manje 6 months down the line sishadile. Hhayi sengiyijwayele nento yakhe futhi sengiyayithanda, sengiyayicelela, seyimnandi. Sengiyayicelela uma ngiyifuna. Uthi hhayi ngiyadotoswa shem la ekhaya, ngiyiqanda la ekhaya. Eyomsebenzi manje ayisakhulunywa, kodwa-ke kona-ke into engiyaziyo ukuthi ngine-allowance yami nje kwi-bank account yami, kuvele ukuthi va u-30k kungonakele lutho, kuthi va u-10k kungonakele. U-10k makuthiwa u-10k kuthiwa nje go and do hair. Elami ikhanda mina lu-10k elami ikhanda. Uma kuyi-month end mina ngiyahola njengabantu bonke abasebenzayo abaholayo, kuvele ukuthi nje boom u-50k kwi-account yami uma kuyi-month end. Uthi nini nje I'm being showered with gifts, kumnandi. Uthi hhayi-ke 3-6 months down the line I fell pregnant. Uthi-ke mangikhulelwa-ke i-excitement endodeni, kwakungazi ukuthi ngiphethwe isifo esi-contagious, the way ayengitotosa ngakhona ngangiyiqanda. Excuse me, uthi lo muntu waqala wabuilda i-nursery the very first month sibuya nje sokwenza i-scan sokuqala. Yabona lawa ama-scans lawaya, lesa sithombe. Uthi wasithatha isithombe wasiframe, wasiphina odongeni, wenza i-nursery, wathenga amakhoti. Uthi ngaze ngathi mina yibo, it's only 1 month. Mina-ke ngumuntu wesiZulu-ke ngeke ngizwe nangesiZulu kuthiwa ingane ayilungiselelwa kakhulu ingakozalwa, yabo. Uthi-ke kodwa hhayi umuntu wakhona waye-excited shem, angifuni ukungasho waye-excited, ephina izithombe, enzani, ethenga izinto, ebeka amakhothi. Mina eyami i-bag yokuphuma esibhedlela yathengwa at 2 months, we were already shopping, ngingakabonakali nanokuthi ngimithi. Uthi hhayi-ke at 3 months, boom, saphuma isisu. Uthi engakhali, efonela everybody back at home, efonela abangani bakhe, umfazi wakhe umiskherile, saphuma isisu, kwabuhlungu, kwamuncu-ke, kwajala kanjalo-ke. Uthi hhayi-ke ngahamba-ke ama-counselling-ke bangi-advise-ke nasesibhedlela ukuthi ngoba ngibe ne-miscarriage enga-explain-eki ukuthi kwenzakaleni, kofanele ngisheshe ngimithe eduze ukuze kungaze, ngoba mhlampe kukhona i-complication ecashile abangayazi, kuye kuthiwe yini, ayi angingakhuluma isaka-biology engingasazi, kodwa kukhona igama abalisebenzisayo uma ngabe uba ne-miscarriage and they don't see the reason why kwenzakale lokho, so baye baku-advise vele ukuthi usheshe umithe eduze. Uthi hhayi nangempela bangikline, bebeqeda ukungiklina banginikeze-ke izinto-ke zokuthi ngiphinde ngibe fertile nani. Hhayi uthi fast futhi ingapheli ngisho 3 months again, siphinde sihlale futhi esinye isisu. Hhayi masihlale isisu this time around, kube ukuthi-ke yena uwumuntu othi kufanele sisimiselele, ngesiZulu sesithi ukusimiselela, kodwa ngicela ningi-correct uma ngisho wrong. Kufanele sisimiselele kodwa uzosimiselela ngendlela yakubo yaseNigeria. Uthi hhayi-ke le ndlu sihlala kuyona inkulu-ke, inanekamero la yena alisebenzisa. Angithi nje there is a room that he uses as an office, but in that room kunelinye room ngale kwalo. Kusho ukuthi 2 room in one. It's a huge bedroom. You're more like a room with an ensuite. Kodwa instead of an ensuite, it's another room. Uthi lo mnyango loyo wayengajwayeleke ukungena kona, futhi engenandaba nokungena kona, ngoba vele indawo leyo umyeni wakhe ayisebenzisa as i-office, inayo yonke into, inamakhompyutha, into zomsebenzi, uyabona ama-files lapha, yonke nje into eyi-gadget yokusebenza umyeni wakhe ayisebenzisa, ayayihlala lapha kuleya room. Uthi hhayi-ke mese bekhulelwe ingane yesibili kanjalo-ke, athi uzoyimiselela le ngane, meyimiselela abuye nezinto ezithile-ke azibeke, athi uzozibeka lapha e-ofisini kuleya room leyaya. Futhi ngingakhathazeki ukuthi kufanele ngiyo-check ukuthi izinto ezizini lezo, ngoba wathumela nje, wathi uzothumela, is gonna send somebody from Nigeria ukuthi amphathele izinto ngoba is too busy ukuthi angaflya aye eNigeria khona manje. Okay fine. Kodwa-ke ngebhadi again isisu saphinde saphuma futhi esesibili esilandelayo. Uthi hhayi uma wakhe manje sene-concern, ngane yami kwenzakalani? Ngathi umkhwenyane kuphethe kahle kangaka yini, udliwa yini, une-stress? Uma wakhe uyabuza une-stress, uyakushaya, uyakuhlukumeza, uyaqonya, kwenzakalani? Uthi ma akaze aphakamise ngisho even ngisho ucicane on me ngendlela engihleli kahle ngayo. Uthi kodwa yini pho, ngoba phela kuye kuthiwe umuntu umiscarriage ngoba ene-stress. Nana uthi hhayi ma anginaso stress, ngihleli kamnandi kabi. Uthi naso sesibili siphume, angithi wayethe kulesi sesibili wayethe uzosimiselela, wasimiselela indlela asimiselele ngayo yena angayazanga. Uthi hhayi nalapho futhi bamkline baphinde bam-advise the same thing, basho the same thing ukuthi i-reason yokuphuma kwesisu sakho asazi ukuthi sikhishwe yini, kodwa-ke these things do happen. Uthi kwesesithathu saphinde futhi saphuma. Uthi kulokhu kwesithathu-ke manje mese siphuma, the way ayese-frustrated and stressed ngakhona, wayese-desperate for anything that can work ukugcinela this, because you know ama-Nigerians-ke guys kuthiwa they love kids. Well, those abangenzi izinto ezipecukile zobumnyama kuthiwa babathanda nje abantwana babo sidala. Wamithela i-Nigerian nje uba umaka-prince noma kungathiwa leyo ngane iyintombazane. So naye wayeseloku esho ukuthi nje hayi akayazi lento ukuthi why ama-prince akhe loku efaka nje, it's very painful. And remember, ngikhohlwe ukukuxoxela ukuthi that first night ye-honeymoon ezowumbreak virginity, ekuseni kuthiwa wathi mekavuka evuka kanjalo kugcwele izimbali all over, kuthiwa wenza something like engazi uyabo umuntu engazi ukuthi uyathandaza, yabo like umuntu mengabe praise to a point engazi ukuthi nje like thank you Lord, uthi waguqa phambi kwakhe. Waguqa phambi kwakhe wamphaga kanje esinqeni, yena ehlele embhedeni wamhaga esinqeni, wathi from today onwards your womb is carrying our wealth. Mark those words. Wathi from today onwards, my queen, your womb is carrying our wealth. First night belalile ndawonye. Okay fine. Siphume nosithathe isisu. Uthi that particular time manje frustration ngempela say high, kodwa this time around indoda ayikhombisi ukuba frustrated as much as he was frustrated when this first happened. Akhumbula ekuqaleni uthi waze wakhala naye kanjani waba maphihliphihle into e-concerned ukuthi umfazi uphuphunyelwe yisisu. This time does not look concerned, it's just life as usual. Sekungazi ukuthi nje into enormal eqhubekalayo nje kufanele vele mayenzeke. Hayi, it's normal vele ulahlekelwe iphuphunyelwe yisisu and so on. And uthi akanginake ngisho ukunginaka this time around. Angizwa nesupport yakhe this time around. And I'm concerned ukuthi why le ndoda behavior kanje engazi ukuthi manje mina lokuphuma kwalezisu into engiyenze mina ngamabomu. Uthi hayi uthi ngaloko busuku lobo uthi it was the second day ebuye esibhedlela bekomcleaner, so nje uthi was heavily sedated because now sekahamba ama psychologist kufanele attend ama therapy because uloke ephuphunyelwa izisu, ningi medication ayidlayo, and kulesi sesibili vele uthi nje kwase ngazi ukuthi uyahlanga ekhanda uyahallucinate ebusuku bevela avuke awalke yini sleepwalk ebusuku to a point ukuthi kuze aze aphume nangegate indoda imbambe seyophuma ngegate, so yafika ireporta leyo nto elokhu nje nesibhedlela ukuthi ayi lo muntu lo uyasleepwalk wenza into ezistrange, uyavuka aphuma ahambe eminyango yonke leyo into leyo wayireport. So kusho ukuthi manje senikwe imithi heavy ukuthi akwazi ukuthi alale ebusuku. Uthi it's the second day, it's the second night ngisekhaya after I've been cleaned and I'm coming from a therapist that particular day. Dama eqeda kungidropha and yangenzela ukudla, tatazela ngenzela ukudla, yangishiya kanjalo iyahamba yayongena kulela room layo leya office layo. Mayiqeda ukungena kuleya office layo, he disappeared from the afternoon till I think in the middle of the night. Remember, I have been sleeping from the time mina ntambama sibuya lapha kuma therapist. Uthi engqondweni yami ngezwa ifone kwangazi ukuthi khona umuntu ongifonelayo. I'm not sure whether I was dreaming or it was happening for real. Mangiphakamisa ifone engathi uma, and uma uyathandaza kanti ngempela uma wayethandaza. Uthi ngaphinde ngazumeka kwathi lele baphinde babuya futhi ubuthongo. Uthi mangiphaphama wesibili this time around mase ngiphaphama ifone iyaringa for real this time. Uthi ayiphakamise uma wakhe ambuza unjani. Hayi ngiyakhulekela ngane yami, yabona la miscarriage ayangifrustrate wathini. Uthi from there akubange ebusabuya ubuthongo meqeda ukukhuluma noma wakhe, ingqondo yakhe nje imtshela ukuthi akaphakame ayofuna indoda yakhe. Kade egcinile ukuyibona bebuye esibhedlela emini yantambama. Uthi aphakame and she knows ukuthi uzomthola kephi vele makamfuna. Akhuphuke aye upstairs aye kulela room. Uthi mangabe ngithi ngiyangena e-office, mangithi ngiyafika e-officeini umnyango half open. Yabo umnyango mo half open. Uthi ngifike ngiqale ngilunguze like this. Ngimbona ukuthi hayibo lo muntu akekho la ngaphakathi e-officeini. Ingqondo yami isheshe ibuye ukuthi kambe vele kunelinye igumbi ngaphakathi la. Khumbula ukuthi ngithelele igumbi wayengazangene kulona. Wayekangene e-officeini, wayelazi office kodwa igumbi leli inside phakathi inside wayengazangene kulona. Uthi makathi uyanotice how nendoda negumbi leli lilandela lelo nalo li half open. Uthi hamba afike alunguze. Uthi maka elunguza hayibo. Uthi kube ngazi ukuthi uyaphupha manje akasazi noma it's because udle i-medication eningi emenza abe highly drugged or uphethwe ubuthongo or kwenzakalani. Uthi alunguze kokuqala angayikholwa into ayibona ngamehlo akhe. Uthi aphinda alunguze okwesibili aphinda angayikholwa into ayibona ngamehlo akhe. Uthi makalunguze okwesibili usebuka kahle ke manje uzama ukuhlaphula ingqondo ukuthi hey phaphama wena, you are seeing something here. Uyangena indoda yakhe inqunu. It's the middle of the night, right? Uthi kuyoshaya 01 ezintatha manje. It's the middle of the night. Indoda uthi inqunu njengoba soloko yazalwa, iguqe phansi ngamadolo, ibheke iflathele umnyango. Kusho ukuthi ibheke towards the wall. La ibheke khona obondeni uthi kuphinwe zonke izithombe zama scans lawa walezi ngane bekade lokho ezimiskera ziphinwe odongweni phansi la iguqe khona indoda kunokuhamba. Ukuhamba liyabila, alikakhonto ephekiwe kodwa ukuhamba liyabila, kuyashunqa uthi iyabila into bese iphindi iyehla bo utshwala besizulu maba ngabe utshwala besiZulu mangabe bufemente kakhulu, mangabe bila, mangabe buvumile, sisho njalo ngesiZulu ya, utshwala besiZulu mabuvumile. Uthi njalo lento uthi hayibo. And kuyashunqa kuphakama lentuthu ekuhambeni, iyaphakama intuthu, iyaphakama intuthu, iyaphakama intuthu. Njalo mangabe kuphakama intuthu, le ndoda iyachenta. What is to chant in Zulu? Yabona lento eshoyo zangoma, yeah, something like that. Yeah, ngazi ukuthi ikhuluma in tongues. Akulona ilanguage yakhe ngoba indoda was in Igbo, akusona isi-Igbo. Uthi isi-Igbo wayesekwazi ukusizwa abantu mebekhuluma, even though engakwazi ukusikhuluma ngoba uthi umuntu ehlakaniphile futhi wayethanda ukuyikhuluma ilanguage yendoda yakhe. So some words we-Igbo wayo-understanda, kodwa le ayekhuluma umlisa lo, it wasn't Igbo, it wasn't English, it wasn't pidgin English, it was just a language angakaze ayizwe noma angakaze aqonde ukuthi ikhona noma ayikho yini. Iyasho le ndoda, the more lento ibila, le ndoda isho kakhulu kodwa politely. Uyayibona into eyenziwe izangoma mose understand umZulu. Izangoma mengabe angazi ukuthi kuthiwa yini ngegama eli-right lesiZulu. Siyanibiza nina baba, something like that. So the more lento iphakama iphinde ibohle, nayo le ndoda engathi iyaliphakamisa izwe, engathi iyaqinisa ukusho ukuchenta. Uthi hey, ngike ngibe ngifreeze, ngishokhe, ngibuke. Uthi yabona-ke manje sengiyafila ukuthi I'm not dreaming, it's not medication, ngiphile saka, yimi lo, lento engiyibonayo ngiyayiboniswa ila phambi kwami ngqo ngamehlo enyama. Uthi mhlambe ngake ngafreeza angazi ukuthi kwaphela isikhathi esingakanani before. Obviously uma ngabe khona into oyenzayo and you are deep in it, especially ene spirituality phakathi, ngisho ngenzakalani awuphazamiseki kalula, especially if uzophazanyiswa umuntu o silent. Uthi uyayenza le ndoda, yayenza le ndoda, yayenza iyaqeda lento eyenzayo. Uthi kuthe mayiqeda yabonakala ukuthi siqedile. Uthi naye sijuluke imanzi te. Uthi yaphakama, uthi mayiphakama wabona ukuthi la kade iguqe khona phambi kwakhe, behind ukuhamba, or asithi eduze ukuhamba, kunamakhandlela amnyama, red, anjani. Kodwa nje uthi kunamakhandlela anembala esabisayo esingawajwayele thina sazo yellow no blue uma ukhuluma nethonga lakho. Uthi yena amakhandlela aye-black, e-red, amanye e-green, ajoshwe ngey'naliti, and kukhona extra copies kunesithombe sakhe somshado mhla eshada, sibekwe in the center, siqondene nokhamba. And then kwase kwenziwa into engathi i-circle ngezithombe zey'ngane lezi ekade lokhu ezizala ziphuphuma, abamalokhu njani ama-print la, ama-scans ey'ngane le kade ziphuphuma, la makhandlela ane-light ala e-center. Mayiphakama le nto useyabona ukuthi khonani phansi, kahle sebona kahle phansi. Uthi mayiphakama iphenduka, uthi yabo umuntu athuke kuba kayi-1, kodwa yabo umuntu athuka ongathuki. Uthi nje immediately kube ngazi ukuthi ithi ibisiyabuza, what are you doing here? You're supposed to be sleeping. Uthatha omunye, wena what are you doing? Uthi omunye, I'm talking to my ancestors. Uthi with the photos of me and my babies and the needles in those candles and what not, kwenzakalani? Uthi eyibalwe-ke manje, kwenzakalani, what are you doing? Uthi iyavele yaphendula very carelessly. Yathi ucabanga ukuthi lo mnotho ongaqhamukaphi? Uphila kamnandi ngwakhela umuzi, uhlele ekhaya, usebenzi, uhola u-50,000 a month, udrive imoto oyithandayo, udla la uthanda khona, uhamba la uthanda khona, and then uzongibuza ukuthi what am I doing? I told you ukuthi your womb is carrying our wealth. So that is what is happening. Uthi yasho imdudula imsunduze emnyango, imdudula roughly iphuma ihambe iyophuma ngomnyango imshiye emile kanjalo. Uthi hey, ngasala ngangena kulendlu. Uthi uma ngingena kulendlu my skin cringe, kwangazi ukuthi ngibanjwe into engibambe yangithi ngqi ngonoqhaka. Uthi I don't know how long I stood frozen in that house. Mhlambe waphela i-hour, mhlambe 30 minutes, I don't know. Uthi kodwa ukuphaphama kwami, mase ngiphaphama ke manje okwesibili, ngaphaphanyiswa yiyo le ndoda isibuyizwa ngisakaza ngolabhabha wempama, into eyangithatha yongilahlela ngawo, ngigqibuzeka edeskini, ngashayeka ngeside, ngawa phansi. The following day ngaphaphama esibhedlela. Uthi uma wakho wafika esibhedlela wamkhulekela, uyamkhumbula lo mngani wakhe ababehambe nawo ukuqala wayithi akayithandi le ndoda? uthi wafika uma wakhe nalo mngani wakhe bakhuleka and uthi umngani wakhe, she saw this in the spirit. Noma wakhe uthi all along, ever since eloku ephuphunyelwa izisu kulandelana, ikhona into ayizwa kodwa she shook the feeling ukuthi I know man, she's just overthinking it. Uyayibona le nto ukuthi ube nayo i-feeling mhlampe noma ukhuleka uzwe ngazi ukuthi khona into oyitshelwayo in the spirit kodwa kube ukuthi I know it can't be, iyamthanda le nto because vele phela benze ngazi ukuthi iyamthanda. Uthi hey sesisandile okwanamhlanje isitori sami ngicela ukusibeka lapho, ngicela ukungasho ukuthi kwenzakalani afterwards, kodwa engingakusho ukuthi kwaba clear ukuthi indoda leyo yayithwale ngesibeletho sami, yayithwale ngobuntombi bami, yayithwale ngepurity yami. Ngoba phela mina mangihlangana nayo le ndoda I was pure. Ngiyafisa ukubuye ngiphinde ngixoxele upart 2 ukuthi ngaphunyiwa kanjani kulowo mshado. Kodwa nje okwamanje ngicela ukuyibeka la sisandile indaba yami, ngicela ubatshele osisi bami ukuthi hey those people amadimoni okuqala okugcina bazokutotosa, bazokunika yonke into oyifunayo, bazokubonisa uthando, bazokubonisa impilo, kodwa hey mina I learned the hard way. Kumanje njengoba ngikhuluma nawe nje angikho ngisho eSouth Africa. Ngabaleka ngoba ngabona ukuthi kusho ukuthi ngeke ngize ngikwazi ukuhlala la le ndoda nawe la ikhona khona ngoba I don't know what is going to happen next. Emveni kokuba seyifind out ukuthi lapho indaba yethu yanamhlanje. Love and peace.